I got the Harbor Freight powder coating gun system. I don't know, I think I paid 70 bucks. I think it was on sale. I'm gonna give it a try. I got a couple things I want to powder coat, but we're gonna give it a shot. Also with this, to do these, you're gonna need an oven or something to heat it with. I got this guy off of Facebook for $0 because somebody smashed his top. Anyways, the oven still works and I don't plan on cooking with it, so let's give this a shot. See what's in here. Cardboard. Instructions, don't need those. Back you up a little bit. It's kind of an unboxing, I guess. Gun. Can't lift. Alright, we got some tips in here. Probably an air dryer. Couple reservoirs. Yep. That's it. Okay, let's check it out. First ever attempt. Yep. That's new. All right. Wait till you have any temperature. Give it a shot. Let's get it apart. I should move that one. That's fine. How far are we over? My bad. Put all my heat out. Turn this backwards. Don't hit. Don't hit. Don't hit. Don't hit. Don't hit. Okay. It's a good timer. Let it cool off. So, looks like they did pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. It is a matte finish, so it is not a high gloss. So it is look like it's behaving the way I expected. All right, final assessment of the Central Machinery powder coating system from Harbor Freight. 70 bucks on sale. I bought this because it was the cheapest one I could find. It actually worked. I was impressed. So right there is a bonus. It's really easy to use. I didn't read the instructions. You just have your little electrode you clamp onto whatever you're gonna paint. Get your trigger, push that while depressing the trigger on the gun. And yeah, and it just works. It's that simple. Couple key things that I would like to point out. First one's air pressure. It says in here in the very back, you should use between 20 and 30 pounds. That little dial there on the gun, it'll do a little bit. Won't knock off 100 psi or anything like that, but yeah. So dial that down. Other part, this little electrode here. Yep, that'll shock you. And then this stuff yeah, when you mist it, it's actually flammable, very flammable. And then when you apply arc from that to that guy, it gets exciting. Watch out for that. So you can skip reading that now. I just gave you the high points, cliff notes, if you will. Here's the product I came up with. It is, I don't know, the lower shackle for the axle on this truck. It's a hanger. It's a matte finish. It came out actually, I'm impressed. I sandblasted it to prep it, and not very well either, but it actually turned out pretty good. So all in all, I don't know. I think the system cost me like 80 bucks or something like that, or 82 with tax. I give it a thumbs up. It's a good one. I would definitely get this for someone who wants to just mess around and get started.